this tutorial we are going to cover the key feature of AskWay.com, which is Stock Screener. Stock Screener is the process of applying the investor interest on the whole universe and then present the result of that filters to this investor. Now when we click on the screener, then the page as shown is will appear. The left hand side has the list of all the filters available to the investors. They are grouped in some categories such as journal, operational, price, shareholding, size and valuation. One can select any particular filter by clicking on the checkbox or unselect the filter. One can know what a filter means by clicking on the name of the filter, so that will give the user idea what the filter might do. So keep eye on this list of filters because we are constantly adding filters to increase the options to users. Now one can also go to the how to use stock screener option there to see what are the common issues which one has found in using the stock screener. Also we can watch the video tutorial, same tutorial which you are watching now again by clicking on the video tutorial. Now let's come to this next part. We found that we can remove a filter by checking or unchecking the checkbox, or one can remove a particular filter by clicking on the remove filter button here also. One important thing, a filter will not be used until it's on the right hand side. And then second important thing, if it is not having any value, it is not going to be used. But we caution the user, especially on the drop down filters where by default the first value is selected. So if you are not sure you are going to use, in this case industry filter, we will suggest to unselect it and remove it. Now in this case, let's say we have example today in which we will select the companies based on the P ratio, market capitalization and net profit margin. We found that there are many strategies investor has, such as some are low P ratio investors, some are low book value investor, book value to price ratio, some are low PBDIT multiple investors. So but our strategy will work for any one of them. So let's say we have an idea that we want to invest in the low P stocks, but we want to invest only the bigger company which has market capitalization of 1000 crores, P ratio less than 7, and the net profit margin is 15 to 50%. In this example, we has taken 3 filters and each one has different range. So for example, market capitalization is one-sided range which is 1000 crores. So we will select any companies which is greater than 1000 crore in market capitalization, or P ratio is less than 7 but net profit margin is between the range. So what we want to emphasize here, that you can give either side of the value and this will work as a boundary for lower side or upper side, but if you define the range then we will filter based on the both sides. When one click on the search, the results will appear on the next page, and as you can see there are 26 results of this search. On this page user can do many things, such as one can select the companies and then compare them, and we are not going to cover compare part in this tutorial. One can click on the more details such as summary, quarterly result, monthly, balance sheet and ratio analysis. One can sort on the columns to sort the data on a particular column. So in that way user can do many things here as they want. But the basic thing again we will repeat here, you have to have the list of filters which you want to use and then define the values for them and then click the submit. We hope this tutorial helped you